Can you reenact what you did before?
Maybe you can only absorb the power. Does it have to be a certain type of... Or maybe we should give your terminal a whirl. Yay! It worked!
I will be there for everyone as we head toward our shared future, leaving the past behind.
Your terminal's got a different look, but the functions are pretty much the same.
Leave it to me. Cherish every gain. Leave it to me. One with the sounds. Strike in the shadows.
Let me be your blade. Shape the shapeless! Look! Jinzhou City's just up ahead! Rover? There you are. My dearest. Seed of fate. Alrighty, what should we do next? Shall we go grab a bite?
I am to return to the Academy. The anomalies of the Gorges of Spirits, the resurgence...
Then I'll go submit our report and prepare the documentation needed for Rover's audience with the magistrate while I'm there. It's the political hub of Jinzhou, and where the Great City Hall is an important place. Seeking an audience with a magistrate is...
Then I guess I'll take Rover over to the Nexus Tower for registration first. And we'll just hang out for a while. Being new to Jinzhou and all, he can't be left standing outside the city hall with nothing to do. Hospitality is our local specialty, you know.
Then, I'll leave you in Shizya's care, Rover.
Leave it to me.
I'll send the branch of Resin Medical Science a notice. We need to come visit the academy after your audience if you have no...
You guys done yet? What's the holdup? Let's move! Then I'll have more time to show Rover around. We've got loads of fun in Jinzhou. We can go watch lion dances, hero plays. Here we are, Jinzhou's Nexus Tower. Exactly. Let me see, think of it as Jinzhou's largest service station. Or in a long story short, it's a navigator, a defense system, and a regional information center all in one enormous package.
I have the arrangements in place. Rover, you can come visit the magistrate at any time. Shizya, do you mind bringing Rover over to the city hall?